a sinister forest in Poland, a wartime secret buried deep for decades. The Katyn massacre remains one of World War II's most haunting mysteries, and for years, the truth was hidden behind a web of lies. Spring 1940. Soviet secret police, the NKVD, round up thousands of Polish officers, intellectuals, and officials, men respected in their communities, now stripped of their freedom. Loaded onto trains, they vanish into the forests, families left with nothing but silence. Then, in April 1943, German forces occupying Poland stumble across mass graves in Katyn Forest. Over 4,000 Polish corpses, hands bound, a single bullet to the skull. Shot execution style, their uniforms and dog tags left untouched. The world recoils in horror, but the story grows even darker. When Germany announces its discovery, the Soviets immediately deny responsibility. They blame the Nazis, unleashing a storm of propaganda and sowing confusion among Allied nations. Even many in the West are unsure whom to believe. Was it the Soviets, Poland's supposed allies, or the Nazis, experts in atrocity? Winston Churchill, Franklin Roosevelt, both sidestep the painful question, desperate to keep Stalin on side in the fight against Hitler. The victims' families, caught in political crossfire, denied truth and justice for decades, but the evidence is overwhelming. Forensic experts from neutral countries examine the bodies. They find Soviet ammunition, and the documents prove the dead were still alive when the Nazis invaded. Witnesses remembered the spring of 1940, when truckloads of prisoners disappeared behind Soviet lines, never to return. Still, the Iron Curtain falls, and Katyn is buried beneath official lies. In Poland, to ask about it is dangerous. The name itself whispered only in secret, but memory is stubborn. The Katyn families refuse to forget. For 40 years, they hold vigils, write letters, risk arrest, demanding answers, refusing to let the world look away. Finally, after the fall of the Soviet Union, the truth begins to surface. In 1990, Mikhail Gorbachev's government admits Soviet guilt, releasing secret NKVD documents. The world learns over 22,000 Poles, military, police, priests, professors, were executed on Stalin's orders, erased for fear they might resist Soviet rule. Katyn was not just a massacre. It was a calculated attempt to crush the soul of a nation. One sinister detail: Soviet officials later planted false evidence in the graves, hoping to blame the Nazis for their crime. A twisted strategy in an age of total war and propaganda. Yet, even as truth emerges, justice remains elusive. Few perpetrators are named or prosecuted. Russia, to this day, disputes the word genocide, and memories in Poland remain raw, the wound still open. The Katyn massacre changed Poland forever. It deepened the gulf of mistrust between East and West, shaping the post-war world. For years, it was a secret too terrible to speak aloud. Now, its echoes can still be felt. Hundreds of families never learned where their loved ones lay. Forests like Katyn remain sacred ground, a silent cemetery for a generation lost, a warning to the world about the deadly cost of buried truths. Why did it take so long for the world to admit what happened in Katyn? How many more stories lie hidden, waiting for someone to uncover them? Some tragedies refuse to stay buried, and remembering them is the only way to keep them from happening again.